Today topic of lecture: components of product planning. Components mean parts of the planning. Elements of planning. Product planning mean plan for product. It is called a product planning. Definition of product planning. Product planning is the continuing process of identifying and asserting market demand and requirement that characterize a product feature set. It is called a product planning. Product planning is the continuing process of identifying and ascertaining market demands and requirements that characterize a product feature set. It is called a product planning. Product planning serves as the basis for decision about promotion, price, and distribution. Main product planning or serve basis for decisions about promotion, price, and distribution. This main serve to the product planning. You taking the decisions, promotional activities, advertisement, all are you prepare where the how much require, spend the advertisements, what area, what place, need, requirement, advertisements or promotion activities, all are prepare before planning use. You taking the some decisions that based the promotional decisions to the higher authority. Same prices also or product you any changes or increase or decrease. Any product sales depend the or product price. High price also not willing the more persons or purchase the our product. So sales also decrease. Low price also you more purchase. You that is some losses also management or businesses not run the low profits or losses. How much price, what price you acceptable or high or not low, you taking the decision. That purpose use the product planning, taking the higher authority decisions. Next one is distribution. Our product also after production you distribute different places from manufacturer to reach the goods and services base users. That is a distributions. That distribution purpose you taking the decisions use of the product planning to the management. Components of product planning. Components mean parts in the product planning. Some important parts in this topic discussed as follows. First one is product innovation. Product diversification. Product standardization. Product elimination. Product customization. These all are components of product planning. Components mean parts of the product planning. These all are include the any product planning. First one is product innovation. What is innovation? New. Change or technology based or consumer taste, fashion, acceptability, preferences, all are you considered our product creativity or new is one of the part of the our product planning. Up to date, you situationally changes of the environment or society that based the our change of the our product. You new or color or size or price or any one etc. To modification is one of the part of the planning. This use of the or product you running the long run, survive the in future, situationally change of our taste and fashion or consumers, changes of the our product or new innovation, that is long run you continue the our product or our sales also you continually in the market. This is one of the part of the product planning. Next one is product diversification. This is one of the another part of the product planning. Diversification means changes our product or color, quality, size, you changes based on the competitive in the market and change of the technology based our change our product alteration, development, expansion is one of the part of the product planning. That is product is survey of the long run or line of products also. Some products is not profits, some product is not use of the users or consumers, that all are diversification. You change the that place, establish the new products, new services, you with new features or changes. It is called a diversification. This is one of the part of the product planning. Next one is product standardization. This is one of the part of the product. You maintain the standardization, quality, size, price, marketplace. This is one of the part of the production plan, or some more number of products not suitable, some minimum number you manufacturing more product, you standard, you maintain the standard, you provide the quality products or minimize cost, minimize price. It is the standardization also use in this one of the part of the production planning to maintain the our product standards fixed anytime, present, future. You compare to the no change the quality, quantity, color, no variation, and maintain the business peoples or companies or industries. It is one of the part of the product planning. Any product is survival in future, long run. You maintain the compulsory standards. It is also one of the part of production planning. And next one is product elimination. What is elimination? Or stop the product. So many products, some products also losses, some product is more profits. Losses products or goods or services, you elimination, you drop the manufacturing. That is one of the part of the product planning. Drop of the product manufacturing, that not easy, that so many problems in rise in the company or in internal, so many losses also. So how to you eliminate, you minimize the losses? All are you studied the product planning. You take the good decision. It is called a one of the product planning. Product elimination is the one of the part of the product planning. Next one is product customization. Customization means customers or users or buyers who is used products, that all are customers. Any product or manufacturing or services, you consider the customer needs or wants, customer preferences, customer fashion, taste, all are you considered. You produce the products. That products also you continually in the long run in the market, more market. So different customers, all are you every type of customers you wants, needs, you consider, you prepare a planning what type of customer what type of goods and services wants required, all are you prepare in this product planning. This is one of the part of the product planning. Components of product planning: product innovation, product diversification, product standardization, product elimination, product customization. These all are elements of product planning or parts of product planning. Next, phases or stages of product planning. Next topic, phases or stages of product planning. Product planning is the not once you prepare a different stages, more process. It is called a some stages. Prepare the base the product planning. That all are as follows. First one is developing the product concept. Developing the product concept. Next one, studying the market. Next one, market research. Next one, product introduction. These all are stages of product planning. One by one, explain now clearly. Developing the product concept. This is the first stage of the product planning. In this stage, first, what is concept? You identify the product idea. What is type of product to produce? In this stage, that clearly known. That concept also you developed. You take the feedback or internal and external or experts. That concept is developed in this stage. Next one is studying the market. This is second stage of the product planning. First stage, you identify the product concept. What product you produce? where you produce the product, when produce the product, all are clearly known in the first stage. That all are any alternative you modifications in the stage of first. Next one is second stage, studying the market. After production, our product market or demand of product, any competitions, present demand and supply, all are the you collect the information our product in this stage. That purpose you collect the secondary data, different sources or business magazines reports, government reports or experts opinions, all are you collect the in this stage. Our present situation of the market, our product study in this stage. Next one is market research. After studying the information, again you investigate clearly total market position, supply and demand, our product, any modifications, any changes, any alteration or concept of product, all are you collect the information that based the changes of the our product. This is the third stage of the product planning. Next last one is product introduction. Our product is already you manufacture, you produce, you introduce the market, our users and consumers, total market, release the our products or services in this stage. It is a introduction stage. In this stage also sales also very low, expenditure also more require the promotional activities or advertisements, etc. More expenditure in this stage. Profit also no profits. It is a production introduction stage. This stage is starting the product life cycle. These all are stages of product planning. First one is developing the product concept, studying the market research, product introduction. It is a last stage. This topic is over. Thank you.